Health benefits of NEEM. Neem is a unique medicinal plant in that all of its parts, including its leaves, flowers, seeds, fruit, roots, and bark, can be utilized in some capacity. It is for this reason that it is sometimes referred to as the village pharmacy. Some of the historical applications of this tree are described in documents that are hundreds of years old. Its flowers were used to heal abnormalities of the bile duct, its leaves were used to treat ulcers, and the bark of the plant was used to treat brain ailments. Over 140 distinct active components of the plant have been extracted from its various sections. The antioxidant, antibacterial, antiparasitic, anti-inflammatory, diabetic, and wound healing effects of neem are all due to the presence of these active chemicals in the plant. Research on this plant is still being conducted, even though the working mechanisms of neem are not understood. Neem may have beneficial effects on one's health. Neem shows promise for various elements of health, including the regulation of blood sugar, as well as advantages for your hair, skin, teeth, liver, and kidneys, even though scientific research into neem is just getting started. Keep in mind that there is a need for more research with humans. Could be good for your hair's health. The active ingredient azadirachtin, which is found in neem seed extract, is thought to be effective against parasites that affect the skin and hair, such as lice. The antiparasitic agent known as azadirachtin acts by inhibiting the growth of parasites as well as reproduction and other cellular functions. In a study that looked at the effectiveness of a shampoo made with neem on head lice in children, it was found that leaving the shampoo in the hair for 10 minutes was enough to kill the lice while not causing any irritation to the skin. Because of their anti-inflammatory and antibacterial qualities, neem extract and nimbidin, which is a chemical that may be found in neem oil, may also be used to treat dandruff. Fungal growth on the scalp has been linked to symptoms including dandruff and inflammation of the scalp. Could potentially improve dental and oral health. In India, it is a popular habit to chew on neem bark as a means of improving one's dental hygiene. Oral health may benefit from neem's qualities as an antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and booster of the immune system. Studies suggest that neem may alleviate discomfort and assist in the treatment of gingivitis, periodontitis, and tooth decay. However, additional research is required to confirm these findings. In addition, studies conducted in test tubes suggest that neem may reduce the capacity of bacteria to colonize the surface of your teeth, which would result in a reduction in the creation of plaque. In addition, research that lasted for 21 days and included 45 participants with gingivitis found that neem mouthwash was just as efficient at reducing gum bleeding and plaque as chlorhexidine mouthwash, which is a strong mouthwash that requires a prescription. Could be beneficial to the liver and kidneys. Because of its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory characteristics, neem may be useful in the battle against oxidative stress, which in turn may be beneficial to the health of the liver and kidneys. The accumulation of potentially damaging chemicals known as free radicals is what leads to oxidative stress. Although your body produces free radicals naturally as a consequence of metabolism, the presence of free radicals is amplified by external sources. Oxidative stress can be caused by taking certain medications, such as those used to treat cancer, opioids, and antipsychotics. This can result in tissue damage in your liver and kidneys. A high dose of acetaminophen is known to be damaging to the liver. However, a study conducted on rats found that neem leaf extract mitigated this effect. Another rat study found comparable results, demonstrating that neem extract reduced kidney tissue damage caused by chemotherapy drugs. The study was conducted on rats. However, research on humans is needed. May be beneficial to the skin's health. Oil extracted from neem seeds is high in several different types of fatty acids, including oleic, palmitic, stearic, and linoleic acids. It has been demonstrated that the combination of these fatty acids possesses qualities that are anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial, all of which contribute to good skin. It is important to keep in mind that very few scientific studies support the claims that neem can treat psoriasis and eczema, even though these conditions are treated with neem in Ayurvedic medicine, which is an Indian traditional healing system. Acne. Neem has a long history of use as a treatment for acne, as well as for reducing the appearance of blemishes and increasing the suppleness of the skin. According to several studies, the antibacterial properties of neem oil are effective in treating acne. When coupled to solid lipid nanoparticles, SLNs, a new type of medication formulation that enables a stable release of active ingredients, a test tube study suggested that neem oil could be an effective long-term acne treatment when used in combination with the SLNs. Despite this, research involving human subjects remains essential. Healing of an ulcer and a wound. According to research conducted on animals, the use of neem leaf extract has been shown to hasten the healing process of wounds by causing an enhanced inflammatory response and the development of new blood vessels. A case study published in 2013 found that persistent skin ulcers could be entirely cured by using 100 mg of neem oil topically twice a day over 34 days. In another experiment, 6 patients with intestinal ulcers were given neem extract in the form of an oral pill containing 30 mg taken twice daily. After 10 days, there was a discernible decrease in the amount of acid that was being secreted, and after 10 weeks, the ulcers had almost entirely healed. Having said that, this was a quite limited study. Additional study on humans is required. Additional potential advantages. Neem may provide several other health benefits. However, the results have been inconsistent, and additional research on people is required. Antimalarial effects. Limonoids are the name of the active substances that can be found in neem. Limonoids may be just as effective as conventional treatments employing chloroquine at targeting malaria-infected cells, according to the findings of a study that was conducted using mice. On the other hand, several research conducted in test tubes demonstrates that neem extract has no beneficial effect on the severity of malaria. Keep in mind that neem is not currently utilized on a widespread scale for the treatment of malaria. Treatment intended to prevent fertility. Because neem has anti-fertility properties, it has also been explored as an alternative to having a vasectomy. People who have testicles can be rendered sterile through the surgical process known as a vasectomy, which prevents the production of sperm. According to research conducted on animals, neem has the potential to both inactivate and kill sperm without causing any long-term side effects. Diabetes management. Animal research suggests that neem leaf extract would be a good candidate for use in the development of novel diabetic treatments. This is because neem extract has been shown to have the potential to assist in reviving cells that make insulin, the hormone that helps control blood sugar levels, as well as reducing overall blood sugar levels. Despite this, there are not enough studies on humans. Results are equivocal even though neem appears to have a wide variety of therapeutic effects. These results are based on research conducted in test tubes and on animals, with very few trials conducted on humans. Instructions on where to purchase neem products and how to make safe use of them. Neem is available for purchase in a variety of forms, including oil, extract, powder, and supplements. It is also an ingredient in a variety of hair, skin, and oral care products. These goods are typically sold in stores that specialize in health and beauty care. Neem oil can be massaged into the skin, added to shampoo or lotions, or blended with both. When diluted with alcohol or taken in tablet or powder form, it can be safely consumed by mouth without posing any health risks. Neem is subject to just a limited amount of regulation, and as a result, many products containing the herb are not tested to ensure their safety or purity. Extraction methods and particular applications can affect the overall toxicity of the substance, even though its topical administration is generally thought to be safe. Always make sure to read the label and follow the instructions exactly, as these can differ from one product to the next. It is essential to keep in mind that there is no established dosage, and there is no information available regarding its efficacy. When considering the use of any neem product, it is important to refrain from engaging in self-medication and instead seek the advice of a qualified medical practitioner. This is the end of today's video. Give your precious feedback in our comments section below. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.